dark wax over top of pure white. This is Amy Sloan white, and I already put on a layer of the clear wax, and now I'm putting dark wax on top, and then I'm gonna take some of it off so it looks very antique or old world looking. You can see how the dark is covering the white, and then I'm going to take most of it off, leaving it in the nooks and crannies so it looks aged. I've just got myself a rag, and I'm gonna wipe some of it off to give it some dimension. You see how the dark is staying in the little nooks and crannies there? And if I'm not getting enough off, all I have to do is grab some clear wax and take it over top of it, and it takes the dark off to a certain extent, just leaving it in the little indentations. You're going from a stark white to an aged look. See how it's a little bit dark here? I don't want it that dark, so I'm going to take some clear over it and buff some of the dark off. And just keep working with it till you get it to where you want it.